Hi everybody, welcome back to the Forge. Today we are going to talk about lighting anthracite because the first time I tried to do it, it was very difficult. I didn't have the right kindling to get the fire started. So what we're talking about is anthracite's that really hard, and it likes a lot of air and it likes to burn hot. So you have to have a pre-established forge going before you can start adding that in. So today I'm going to show you a little bit about what I've learned trying to get that started, because a lot of people are just saying, no, just go with the soft stuff. I'm actually starting with the soft stuff, and as you can hear, when you have this, I mean, it's soft, and it's really soft. So I'm going to get that started, show you guys what I do to get the forge going, and then we're just going to start forging. All right. Okay, start with this, get this going. Once this gets burning, you'll start to see it edge white, and once you see that, you can hear it catching. At night it's really cool when it's dark because it'll start to spark a little bit, and I think that's just an easy telltale that it's going. Because a lot of people will start with like some wood kindling or some paper, and you can't really tell if that's what's burning, but is the lighter fluid's burning or if the coal's burning. So start with the coal burning, and then when that gets going, you'll start to see crackles. These are some pretty big chunks, so I accidentally got the extra large lump coal, which is a hardwood lump coal, but it came in these massive log pieces, so you can break them up to make it a little bit easier. I don't. It'll catch, and then I'll start introducing the small stuff to it. So what I'm doing here is leaving oxygen for the air to come through. Start without the air going, because then you can get going without flushing it out. And once it starts getting air, getting burning with the soft stuff, slowly just introduce your anthracite around the sides, so that way it can start to, one, dry off because it's soaked, but two, start to heat up. It's actually okay that it's a little bit wet, because you want to wet your anthracite a little, so that way it's not super smoky. And then we're just slowly piling it on, getting it going. And we'll build up around the sides here, because then that'll give it a chance to start warming up, because it takes a full heat before you can start using anthracite. But you just slowly bring it in. And once you get anthracite cooking, you want to keep air on it, because if the air turns off, then it's going to start to go down. You can't get it back up without starting over. So And I'm just using a low air pressure because you want good volume but not a lot of high pressure. Just keeping it low and steady. The real smoky stuff with using coal forges is when you smother it too fast, then it's going to get real smoky. So as you can see, I piled that on, you're seeing the smoke burn off. But I've seen people with a little tiny cherry and then they don't let proper airflow and then it just kind of smokes it out.